Hello everyone, this is Zach from XIFU. Okay, just want to do a quick sound check. Hopefully my sound and screen is working. Okay, by typing a one for me. Hey, hello, good morning, bro. Good morning. Thank you for joining me. So, okay, just want to do a quick sound check. If my sound is okay, type a one. Okay, and then a quick disclaimer. This section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So, if you want to trade any stocks based on today's discussion, make sure you got your own trading plan, right? If not, get advice from the professional. All right. Okay. Thank you, Wong. Okay. So, all right. Looks like today markets not too bullish. Okay, but still okay. Hello, Anna. Thank you. Good morning. But at least I gave up. Thank you, Ruku, for your comments there as well. Good morning. Hopefully next week bull week. Okay, yeah. Hopefully as well because a nice gap. Okay, this morning. All right. Hopefully it didn't close lower. But again, we look into the overall sectors. So let's look into these are my indices as over here. Okay, mostly is green. Technology, okay lah. Didn't really make a lot of movement. Energy, okay. Let's turn into energy. Energy close gap, okay, not too bad. Okay, kind of like a solid closing lah. But again, we have to see until end of today lah. Let's see how it move lah. So property make a strong comeback. Again, property make a strong comeback. But I'm not sure. I'm still not that keen on the property lah. I'm not sure why. Okay, let's see the other first. If let's say the property got a nicer sell, then okay, I don't mind to look for the potential. But so far, yesterday candle is a bit scary. But let's see how today going to react. Okay, let's say today, I think Simpro make a strong rebound. Okay, but we're still early, right? We're not sure whether later towards the end of the day, they will remain a strong candles or not, or they will continue to sell off later on. Okay, so any others that is interesting one? Okay, let me just click over here, sort by here. Okay, mid cap, this is 70, small cap. Okay, nothing so-called special exciting over here. Okay, healthcare. Okay, yeah, rebounding, but still okay. Okay, financial services. I think so far, this few days, the financial services is the strongest. So you can see I think even M Bank also moving up further already. Okay, but now looks like early morning got a little bit of shooting star. Probably pullback is coming. Okay, but looks like so far, financial services is the one that pushing or so-called supporting the overall FBM KLCI at the moment. The rest okay, rebounding, but strong rebound, I think still okay saja. Okay, I think still okay saja. Okay, now let's look into some stocks. Okay, if you got any stock, you just type it comments over there. Okay, if not, we look into the pullback stocks. Okay, I think the first one I have is MBSB. Okay, MBSB, PSC, I entered, exit. Okay, I think the other day I asked Wong, he said he's still holding. Okay, actually, also looking for the so-called re-entry again, but I'll see how lah. Okay, I haven't really fully utilized my capital yet. I think no rush. Okay, so at the moment, yes, I think we have some flex patterns over here, and I kind of like the shakeout actually. Like I say, lots of shakeout. Okay, so but the trend lines they still won't break this so-called the main trend line. So hopefully a retest, and it will break this level very very soon. Okay, but setup wise, long term setup wise, I think is there already. Okay, it's there already because the shakeout is completed very nicely. Pushing back now, actually they are above the support level. All right. So yeah, there's quick one for MBSB. Okay, let's go into the others. Like for example, RG Tech. Okay, yesterday actually wanted to enter when I see the volume coming up already, but get up. Oh. Okay lah, give up is okay lah. Nothing to do lah. QL near still scared. Oh, is it you mean MBSB? Okay, but sometimes okay lah. QL release, you have a little bit of movement, then later on we're back to normal. Like I think XIFU also. Actually, XIFU I was waiting at support. The other day shakeout completed. Again, market still pretty unstable, so no there to enter ma. But today also I think gap up already also. Okay, but like similar RG Tech lah. Too bad lah, it gap up lah. Okay, so who is buying over here? Mr. Tewa. Who is Mr. Tewa? Is the one the shareholder? Okay. Okay, not sure who is this. I need to check the background. Okay, but again, here is a nice gap. today not going to chase. Hopefully, let's see how next week. Okay, let's say got a nice pullback, we test to support again, then yeah, probably I'll look for a chance. So today break the nearest resistance over here. Okay, so next one somewhere around this area. You probably you can watch as well. So support I think is still there. Okay, but if let's say more higher already, you also need to move your support higher. If not, your support resistance is not that good also. Okay, so there's RG Tech. Let's turn the key field. Okay, yesterday in the group I mentioned Algeta, the other one is what already? I forgot. I posted out two pullback stock. What's the stock already? Tax cam. Okay, the other one is tax cam. Okay, so key field break R1 as well, break the resistance ready. Too bad. Okay, so let's wait for the next pullback lah. Probably I'll wait for the next pullback to see whether got chance or not. Okay, if not, it's okay lah. So okay, now let's into tax cam. Tax cam also yesterday a very nice movement. Lots of strength signal. Okay, today down bar. Okay, today down bar. Okay, actually here is a nice entry. Okay, but again, market the time last few days ago is still a bit uncertain. So that's why I didn't really enter a lot of stocks. Okay, so a nice movement over here with a strength. Okay, strength and another strength. Okay, so you know the support is damn good already. Okay, again, not doing any buy and sell call, but you can use here, maybe here as a S1, a potential S1. So again, I'm a bit stingy kind of traders. Probably I'll wait until 90 cents. Okay, again, who knows? Maybe it will continue pullbacks a little bit more. Okay, before try to challenge again the next resistance over here. Okay, but I think Tascam definitely is both to pay attention to. If you look into here, the candlestick pattern I think also changed. The volume movement also a bit changed already. Okay, so just that right now, maybe the risk to reward is not that ideal for me to look for, entry opportunities. Okay, so okay, any stocks you want me to review? Just comment below. Okay, if not, just going to look into any pullback stock or not. Okay, stock idea from XIFU apps here. EG, EG, like I said the other day, I kena stuck. I thought the shake got complete already, so I entered. I think like last hour or last 2 hours. They kind of like drop back lah. Okay. Wong, you asked me to hint you. But again, now it's 9:38 lah. Okay, the first hour lah. The first hour lah. I'm not sure towards the end we'll close like this or not. So far, so good. Okay, so far, so good. Okay. So yeah, I'm actually interested in EGWD. EGWD. Wow, ages penny stock. Going counter lah, this one. Okay, later I take a look. Okay, so this one actually also interested. Back to 2040, I would think would be nice. This is a bit similar, like a bit of shakeout as well, happening somewhere around this area. Okay, so far, yes, I think we managed to pick up from the XIFU pullback from the apps, e.g. YXPM. YXPM, let's try. Okay, go counter. Okay, how about the other go? Tome Pokon actually very nice, but like I said, I don't have luck with go one. But the pullback support very nicely. You can notice the volume is reducing already, but it's not the lowest. Okay, but if let's say we test S1, maybe I will consider. Looks like they are building the support. Macam mau ready macam ni. You took WD or mother? I took mother. Okay, now considering the WD. Okay, I look into gabungan and data as well. Okay, just want to finish up my list over here. Anything that is interesting? RHB Bank going up. Okay, finance sector still strong. So okay, any others? Argia. Okay, Argia, the old stocks. Okay, looks like coming back. But is the stuff still valid or not? Let's see. Okay, never mind. Illiquid counters. Volume coming back, but still not so nice in terms of the volume. Okay, WMG. Okay, WMG, the old previous stock as well. JPG, Dutaland. Okay, This one also shake out. Okay, this one also shake out. Okay, this one also go shake out. JPG. Okay, let's try JPG. Then I go to your stocks. JPG new counters. Okay. But volume macam tak ada punya lah. Maybe this one will monitor until afternoon. Okay, if you ask me, this one a bit similar as shakeout also. Okay, a wash, 2 days, pushing it back, macam COC. Okay, for those who know COC, but hopefully you can see more volume coming from support. So which means that someone is still interested and hopefully they can push. Okay, so yes, JPG. Okay, let me just write down first. JPG. Just now is what EGWD lah. So far lah, from XIFU apps here we got 2 lah. Not too bad one. Okay, not too bad one. Okay, so let's look into some of the stocks that you have for me. We got Aegis, but this one a bit scary. Okay, setup is good. Okay, in terms of setup is good. Okay, here we got a shooting star, but luckily it's not high volume. Okay, the other day, yes, everything dropped. Come with high volume, but pushing back. Overall, still in a nice reaccumulation with shakeout. Okay, I know this one outside got a lot of rumors. I've been listen to this Aegis. I guess they got something since I think few months back. Okay, I think it's early of this year. Okay, but no sure latest one. So maybe more you need to check. But this one, yes. Okay, in terms of setup wise, reaccumulation with the shakeout. Okay, setup still good. Okay, but I know this is a bit popular for those that who love penny and goreng. Okay, so let's look into the other one. Gabungan AQRS. Okay, we got a false breakup previously, followed by a shakeout. Okay, now this one I have to use weekly chart because it's a long-term so-called accumulations happening. Okay, so if you look into over here, okay, still is a long-term accumulation. This is high volume change for trend. Good for those that who are looking for mid to long term. Okay, so Gabungan AQRS is good for those that who are looking for slightly mid to longer term one. Okay, because there are a few reasons why. First of all, this is still in accumulation. Reversal high volume, again high volume moving sideways. You notice here have been almost a year already lah. Okay, moving sideways, so it's an accumulation. Now, second thing is that here we got a false breakout. Okay, normally false breakout doesn't mean it's not good. Okay, depending on location, if let's say they are at the top already, false breakout sometimes happen, probably will go into downtrend. Okay, but here's still accumulations. So likely still fine. Okay, but just that, expect them to sideways lagi. Okay, normally got false breakout one, right? It tends to take a little bit of time. Okay, it tends to take a little bit of time for them to cross the resistance again. Okay, but luckily last week we got a hammer lah. So hammer also representing that it's a shakeout. Okay, which means buyers still interested. Okay, buyers still interested, but the seller is too strong. So that's why you got a false breakout. Okay, so here previous resistance. Okay, so right, let's look into Theta. Theta also I'm watching. Okay, but I forgot to follow until yesterday. Okay, I'm not sure how is the closing already because they are still yesterday closing not nice. Luckily I didn't enter yesterday morning because yesterday morning is an up green candle. I almost want to enter, but I feel that okay, better wait for a hammer. Okay, usually it's like that. Normally, okay, during pullback, okay, there are a few things to look into. Either is that you enter on the pullback complete. Okay, I think the other day I do talk about this during the pullback classes. Okay, so here for example, pullback completes. Okay, so the second one here. Okay, sometimes the market will doing it again. Pullback complete. Okay, you enter on the upper. Okay, so as show okay from this arrow here, so chances for them to goes up is there. Okay, but of course your risk to reward sometimes is not that good because you're slightly far away from support, but at least you know that okay they are building support around this area, so which means you're slightly safer. So but during the pullback, okay, so sometimes what I like to see is that at least a hammer is forming or maybe a COC is forming in between. Okay, so that your edge is slightly better. Okay, so over here, maybe let's see lah, it will form a COC ke, it will form a hammer ke. Okay, but one good thing is that right now they are very close to the previous so-called pullback candles already. Okay, so I think maybe they will slowly build support. Okay, somewhere in this area here. All right, so well, let's see how it goes for next week. This one actually I'm still watching also. Okay, Chin Kai says success and help tech good for entry. Okay, let's look into it. Okay, do let me know any other stock you want me to look into. Okay, we'll study together. Again, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. I do have losses as well. I think I share with you all. Okay, sometimes needed to I have to cut. I cut. Okay. Well, if you like my sections as usual, help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out, please. Okay. If can, go to my Google and Facebook here. Leave me a 5-star ratings. Okay, so that we can actually continue to grow this community here. So okay, now success, interesting. Okay, a bit similar like Gabongan AQRS, but Gabongan AQRS is in the longer time frame. Okay, but this is a shorter time frame daily chart. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that here, yes, we do have a false breakout. Okay, but luckily here I don't have much of the weaknesses. Okay, if you look into the volume, it didn't show high volume, down bar, all these kind of things. Okay, so for me, it still is a healthy so-called false breakout. So again, false breakout got problems. Okay, the problem is that they will back to this support level. Okay, test, do shakeout. Shakeout is good. Okay, whenever you go false breakout, you do shakeout is a good sign. Okay, which means that someone's still interested, but just that yes, this range over here is going to take time. Okay, now the best thing is that for success, because this is a pretty big range, it's a good range from 80 cents, 1 ringgit and above, slightly above 1 ringgit. So potentially you can try to trade within the range here. All right, so in between, probably you want to lock a profit also boleh, or maybe you want to hold. Okay, for slightly mid-term to long-term pun okay lah. Okay, no buy call, just my opinion. So yeah lah, I think it's a false breakout, but in the end, they actually hold well, do a shakeout. So for me, the side is still good. Okay, just that false breakout, like I say, one problem with false breakout is that sometimes you have to wait one. Okay, now Hyap take. Oh, okay. Wow, last week hammer tak ada hold. This one a bit scary already. Okay, normally hammer. Okay, this is like a shakeout area lah. Okay, so again, same things. False breakout happening somewhere around here. Okay, here right, false breakout, shakeout, break, lagi satu kali. Okay, hammer, but this hammer this week didn't close up lah. So for me, help take slightly a bit not so nice at the moment. Okay, slightly a bit not so nice at the moment, comparing to success. Okay, normally I like to see hammer closing up one, hammer closing down. What I mean is that okay, hammer next candle doesn't mean it's daily or weekly. Closing down normally is not that nice. Okay, I prefer hammer closing up. Okay, let's look into the others. We have Amulus. Okay, let's look into Amulus. Okay, Amulus, same thing. Okay, let's look into weekly. Okay, because since this is also long-term accumulations happening over here, right? So okay, now Amulus. But one good thing is that Amulus is likely is in accumulation. So I kind of like this volume here. Okay, drop. Okay, cross 2040s, but the volume is not convincing. Volume coming later on. Okay, which is around 30 cents area. Good. Okay, I think good. Long-term wise is good. Okay, now short-term wise, because the hammer haven't complete yet, so probably you will still see sideways. Okay, range around 30 cents. Okay, now best one is that. Okay, let's switch back to daily. Okay, long-term trend I think is there. Is forming accumulations already. Okay, if let's say they're able to close back the gaps, all right, maybe trading around 33 cents above. Okay, yeah, I think would be nicer. Would be nicer because now this area over here, not to say it's not nice, But of course, it must pull back. Sometimes maybe they will retest next support, or maybe here before they rebound back again. Okay, before they rebound back again. So best is that they going back to 33 cents area within the range. Okay, then you see a better movement. Okay, for Emulus. Okay, now AZRB. AZRB also a bit disappointing. Okay, but looks like slowly coming back. Close gap. Okay, nice. So here also AZRB the other day also I covered already after it dropped. Okay, so here we also got a shakeout. Okay, for me, as long as they are above this gap, okay, can consider. Okay, break S1 again, then probably you want to watch out also, right, for AZRB. Okay, VS and NetGets. Okay, let's look into VS. VS also strong closing, right? Strong closing above the gap also, if not mistaken. Wow, but it's still high volume. Okay, let's go to weekly first. Aha, okay, I remember. This one I think Wong also got mentioned in the group. Okay, accumulation phase. Okay, actually this is a nice breakout with the hammer. Okay, long-term trend is good. Okay, because they retest the accumulations level successfully. Now this is what it means. After hammer, the next candle going up. Okay, so this normally is a good sign. Okay, long-term buys I think no problems. Okay, again not doing any buy sell call, just my personal opinions. Okay, I think is so far it's good. Okay, now if you are looking for daily entry, okay, I think 115 area should be quite a low risk entry. Okay, 115A should be a low risk entry for you to watch out. Okay, anyway, it's a nice trend. Seems here to here almost 100% also. From almost 70 cents, 70 over cents to 1 ringgit 30 over cents. Okay, a deep shakeout pullback, now pushing it back. Okay, now pushing it back. Okay, so let's turn into net gets. Okay, let's check the weekly chart first. Okay, weekly chart also hammer. Okay, here we got the shooting star, but luckily it's not high volume. Okay, this hammer kind of high volume. Okay, so far so good. I think weekly wise, as long as today this candle, this big candle, because today is Friday already, closing up. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, closing I think it's good. Okay, but daily no momentum yet. But I'm not sure. Maybe one you're looking for slightly longer term. Okay, slightly longer term I think okay is fine, because here they are still testing the gap. Okay, they are still testing a gap. So sometimes I'm afraid that this kind of gap, like macam SP setia suddenly they drop back to support again. Okay, so that's why I prefer above gaps. Okay, if let's say you're looking for short-term trading, okay, prefer above gaps. Okay, but the weekly wise, the trend actually is there. Okay, hammer is there. Closing above the hammer is good. Okay, let's look into ACMO. Okay, then we look into some of the pullback stocks that we have. Okay, ACMO above gaps. Hey, also coming in. ACMO I haven't re-entered. Okay, this few day watching the few so ACMO I didn't really monitor, but looks good. Okay, looks good. Volume still low volume still low. Maybe I wait until 3 to 4 p.m. to decide. Kobe also actually looking into it. Okay, Kobe. But this is a nice shakeout. Okay, gap. Okay, we test, break, drop. Yes, increasing volume, but overall for me, this is considered still low volume. Okay, not very high. Okay, supported well for a few days already. So ACMO, yes, for me is a good setup. Okay, in terms of risk to ratio, this potential R1 also good to consider also, because it's you can notice the risk to ratio actually is still pretty nice overall. Okay, any other stock? If let's say you don't have any stocks, let's go to pullback signal here. Okay, just now we do spot JPG and EG All right, so from here, okay, let's turn to EG again. Okay, hopefully the volume is increasing. Okay, volume coming because this is the first hour right? First hour actually is higher than yesterday volume already. Okay, so far so good. Okay, again, yesterday Dato Kang Pang Kian bought also. Okay, looks like this Dato Kang keep buying. Okay. Okay lah, ada support sendiri punya stock lah. Okay, good one. So okay, MMAG. Oh yo, MMAG also shake out. But a bit takut lah this kind of stocks. Okay, never mind. SY Group still coming. Okay, B Auto, SY Group. Wow, nice volume. How many percent already today? 5%. This one I feel like macam ada momentum. If let's say later pull back a bit, I try to do a bit intraday. Pedana. Nowadays a lot of people like Pedana. Okay. SY Group, B Auto, Dayang. Okay, because I think the oil and gas counter also do a nice shaker also. Oops. Okay, this one here we got a shakeout. Binapuri for the last one. Looks like today market still not that very bullish here, but at least we find something like JPG, EGWD, and then I think SY Group. Okay, SY Group of course right now 5% up already lah. Okay, maybe I'll see how later on. Okay, let's say a little bit of pullback I think would be nice. Okay, for me to consider. Okay, now let's turn to VLB. Okay, going up some more. Okay, yeah, same. VLB. Oh, VRB yesterday luckily hammer. Okay, but this one I took partial profit already, considering right now whether I will take all or not. Okay, the other one is Malakoff. Malakoff also. Okay, so far still hold well. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. So again, if you like my section over here, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, join my Telegram for more discussion, and I will see you again next week.